Jamaica Constabulary Force band is that division within the force that provides music. So here today we have just a small amount of the instruments which we use within the JCF band. So firstly, we have a B-flat trumpet, right? We have a alto saxophone, we have a bass recorder, an alto recorder, and a tenor recorder. We also have with us a baritone. It is a cross between the trumpet and the trombone, and this instrument is used on the bass clef. We have with us a euphonium, a xylophone, and we also have a trombone, a pair of cymbals, a bass drum, a conga drum. We have two bass drum buffs and a snare drum, right? At the JCF band, it's a band where we read and play music, right? So we play on all major events within the country that incorporates the police or the military